I'm just that loud. Good evening and welcome to the Erie County Technical School 2024 Senior Award Ceremony. My name is Kendra Ramey and I am a junior in the Early Childhood Education Program and Skills USA President. I am honored to be your Master of Ceremonies tonight. We now present to you the class of 2024. Good evening and welcome to the Erie County Technical School 2024 Senior Award Ceremony. My name is Kendra Ramey and I am a junior in the Early Childhood Education Program and Skills USA President. It's not going to happen again? Alrighty. Music. It's his first day. Alrighty. Music. It's his first day. Oh my god. Music. It's his first day. Oh my god. Music. It's his first day. Oh my god. Just turn it off. Music. It's his first day. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. Turn it off. I swear I'm not a bully. I want to put that out there right now. It's his first day. He's getting fired after tonight. Now that Mr. Miller is done DJing for us, and after you guys just got comfortable, I'm going to ask you to please rise for the national anthem. Not the remix.
Last
evening is our director, Mr. Matt Laverty, and our principal, Miss Julie Aiken. It is not their first day. We are honored to have senior speakers for each of our sessions. Allison Kiefer, a senior in the Electrical Engineering Technology program, is our session speaker. Please welcome Allison Kiefer.
Dear students, faculty, staff, and guests, as we gather today as a small group, I would like to celebrate the success of these labs and their students' accomplishments. I'm honored to stand before each and every one of you to share my thoughts and reflect on my time here at Erie County Technical School. To begin, I would like to congratulate each student that is sitting here tonight and the ones that couldn't be with us. Tonight marks a significant accomplishment in our educational journey, a journey that started our freshman year. As we moved from middle school to high school, we may have felt limited in our opportunities after graduation. It was engraved into many of our brains that college was the only option to have a successful future and a stable career. ECTS showed us all that there is more to life than college after high school. We can start our own career and build our own path. Even though we weren't able to actually tour the school and each individual lab, we all made a life-changing decision. We each made the individual choice to switch up our comfortable school day and start learning a trade career here at ECTS. Our labs allowed us to transcend boundaries and make lasting friendships with students from all over the district, not just our own home school. Over the years, you all have dedicated your time and energy to your lab and worked with perseverance. Now we are ready to embark on a new journey in our lives, readily equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to be successful in our trades. Despite our extensive training, there are many areas that we may feel we are limited in. When we think of the term no limits, we imagine no boundaries and possibilities that are endless. In the electrical engineering lab, we are no strangers to pushing the boundaries of what is possible and pushing the limits of all three of our teachers. I believe in all of our labs, each student thrived in the environment of innovation, growth, and excellence. Throughout our time at ECTS, we have been challenged time and time again, whether that be starting off each year with a new teacher or working through what felt like endless construction on the school. We still worked with resilience and continued to grow our technical skills. Each lab challenged their students to think critically and adapt to new technologies no one knew could ever be possible. As a student in the electrical engineering lab and electrician, I well understand that setbacks will occur and success is anything but guaranteed. Many today feel that their limitations lead them to failure. I would like to remind you that the only limitations you face are the ones you impose upon yourself. When you commit to your work and strive to keep learning, you break those limits you've imposed upon yourself and prove yourself to be a valuable employee. In a world with ever-growing technology, the possibilities in our careers are endless. Each one of us possesses valuable skills that make us prepared to step into the workforce. Yes, we may be nervous for the next step in our lives, but we must remember we have the power to shape the world around us. We have the power to build our own path. There are no limits with what you can do with your future, so build your own business, continue to develop your skills, and most importantly, never stop learning. The journey that got us to where we are now was not easy. Countless hours spent in the lab, late nights studying for the Noctis, and rushing to get our portfolios done. Much time and dedication was put into our time here at ECTS, and each one of you should be proud of what you have accomplished. As you look toward the future, I encourage all of you to seize every opportunity that crosses your path. Be confident in your abilities, overcome adversities, and push the boundaries of what is possible. Continue to believe in yourself, because there are no limits to what you can accomplish. To close, I would like to share a quote from someone everyone in my lab knows about, Nikola Tesla. He said, "The present is theirs, the future for which I really worked is mine." Every lesson you've learned along the way has brought you to this day, and each one of you should be unbelievably proud of yourselves. The knowledge you've gained is timeless, the future is coming, and it's finally ours to shape. Congratulations, fellow classmates and students. May you continue to strive for greatness and have electrifying success in your future.
On behalf of the Erie County Technical School staff and students, I commend you for preparing your remarks and speaking to us this evening. We acknowledge your leadership abilities, and we wish you well on your future endeavors. As you may have noticed, each of our seniors has been presented with a green Erie County Technical School cord. The students will wear these cords during their commencement ceremonies to distinguish them as students concentrating in career and technical study at Erie County Technical School. Purple cords are worn by our National Technical Honor Society members. Blue cords have been given by the Community Blood Bank in recognition for our distinguished senior donors. These students have donated blood at least 4 times during their time at ECTS. Gold cords will be presented to our outstanding seniors of the 2024 class. Each of our instructors selects one outstanding senior from their program. This is a perpetual plaque that will be displayed in each lab area. The outstanding seniors will have their name added to the program plaque tomorrow. In addition, each student will receive an outstanding senior medallion to keep. Our art and design students are taking pictures this evening, and we will post those pictures on the Erie County Technical School website. Tonight's ceremony is also being live streamed with links located on our website. I invite our principal, Ms. Julie Aiken, to the podium to present our ECTS scholarship recipients and other special awards.
Thank you everyone for joining us this evening. It is my honor to recognize students that participated in our career and technical education student organizations. Will all of the senior Skills USA members please rise? We would like to honor you for your commitment to leadership. Thank you. Will the members of the National Technical Honor Society stand as we commemorate your scholarship and commitment to service? Thank you very much. 10 members of this class are the recipients of the Erie County Technical School scholarships. Scholarships are co-sponsored annually by the American Federation of Teachers, Local 1589, and the Erie County Technical School Foundation. Each student will receive a monetary award to be used to further their education. As I call the name of each recipient, please stand so we can celebrate with you. A $300 ECTS Foundation Scholarship is awarded to facility maintenance student Thomas Bauman. A $200 ECTS Foundation Scholarship is awarded to drafting and design engineering student Isaac Glover. The Community Blood Bank has recognized students that have donated blood at least 4 times in their ECTS career. Tonight we recognize the distinguished honor of the blue cord. Tonight we celebrate Jordan Henderson from Drafting and Design. Thank you for committing to the community. I welcome Kendra back up to the podium so we can celebrate all of our seniors.
First up, we have construction trades, instructed by Adam Trippy, assisted by Jane Boyd, and Caleb Peterson, a junior in the construction trades lab, will be presenting the seniors.
I have Morgan with me here too as well. Today we will be celebrating our seniors here. They've done a great job this year and really proud of them. We have Jacob Babo.
Caitlin Brower.
Nathan Fluke.
Damian Fox.
Samuel Keitlinger.
Zane Kimmy.
Elias Lamonte.
Fenton Shunk.
Tyler Storks.
And Taylor Wilson. The 2024 Construction Trades Outstanding Senior Award is presented to Fenton Shunk.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present the Construction Trades Class of 2024.
Next up, we have Diversified Occupations, led by Lisa Scalise. Brody Luke. Cody Stein. We would also like to honor Juan Montalvo and Tyler Shakespeare, who could not be here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, I present the Diversified Occupational Class of 2024. Smallest class you'll ever see. Next up, we have Drafting and Design Engineering, instructed by Maria Sargent, assisted by Angela Plummer. Grace White, a junior in the Drafting and Design Engineering program, will present the seniors.
Ella Anderson. Connor Billy. Roman Criswell. Devin Dixon. Riley Dobrowski. Evan Deleski. Isaac Glover. Jordan Henderson. Ali Hosseini. Amir Hosseini. Connor Lawrence. River Ramirez. Jaslyn Reisenweber. Jacob Rios. Atreyu Stedman. The 2024 Drafting and Design Engineering Outstanding Senior Award is presented to Isaac Glover. Ladies and gentlemen, I present the Drafting and Design Engineering class of 2024.
Electrical Engineering Technology. Instructed by Nicole Zonizer. Is it wrong? Zonizer. Got it. Assisted by Kathy Pagano. Troy Barker, a junior in the Electrical Engineering Technology program, will present the seniors.
Firstly, we'd like to recognize a senior who cannot be with us tonight, Aiden Carden. Caleb Dobbinspec. Allison Kiefer. Logan Harpster. Evan Knox. Ruslan Kovalevich. Brian Cool. Eric Lang. Seth Massey. Ethan McBride. Michael Valsecki. The 2024 Electrical Engineering Technology Outstanding Senior Award is presented to Logan Harpster. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Electrical Engineering Technology Class of 2024.
Facility Maintenance and Technology. Instructed by Scott Webb, assisted by Heidi Crane. Joseph Brennan, a junior in the Facility Maintenance Technology program, will present the seniors.
We would like to recognize a senior that couldn't be here tonight, Dominic Fisher. Thomas Bauman. Charles Crowers. Hunter Gonda. Parker Henderson. Ryan Humphreys. Hunter Markham. Banks Oler. Austin Sherwood. Nicholas Smith. Aiden Walker. Connor Weingard. And Jacob Woodring. The 2024 Facility Maintenance Technologies Outstanding Senior Award is presented to Thomas Bauman. Ladies and gentlemen, I present the Facility Maintenance and Technologies class of 2024.
I think there's quite a few missing from that photo. Oh, yeah. Awesome thing. I now invite Director Mr. Laverty to the podium.
So they told me I'm the delay so they could go out and get their photos. So we're going to talk about our improvement planning for the next 7 years and our strategic plan. Sound good? No, I'm just kidding. First off, let's do some thank yous. There's a lot of people to thank. First off, well, they're not even here. Facility maintenance. Those are the guys that I turn to all the time. They made the stage. They did the landscaping out front after the renovation. So we're just getting there. But we got to give facility maintenance and construction trades. I turn to them as well a lot. Give them a round of applause, even though they're not in here. I told them I'd give them a shout out for all their work at graduation, so there I followed through, right? Secondly, let's hear it for our junior speakers and our speakers tonight from our ceremony. Let's thank you for your help. That's one of the things I said. Let the students do it. Let's put them to work. That's the goal here, right? Also, I want to thank some of our guests. We have a couple board members down front down here. Let's thank them. Do we have any alumni from ECTS in the crowd tonight? Any alumni? Look at the hands go up. I love it. I love it. So Dennis, one of our board members, is back in the class, I don't know, 1970 something, right? There he goes. One of the things that we're really trying to do with the renovation and so forth, it looks a little different than when you were here, doesn't it? $34 million investment, the renovation, huge investment in the career and technical education from our county districts. And we're growing. We had record numbers of students apply to go here. We're doubling construction trades, we're doubling cosmetology, doubling health assistant, we're adding emergency protective services. So there's a lot of great things and growth going on here with the renovation and then what we're doing afterwards. So we can't thank that investment enough of our member districts, and we have a few members of our member districts here as well. A few in the back, they're afraid to come up front. Please wave back there to be recognized. A couple up front, we thank you for coming and sharing with the evening and supporting the students here. I know people think I'm long-winded to begin with, but again, they're not even back yet for that photo, so I got to keep making things up and talking up here, so you guys are sorry for your luck. No. A couple other people I want to thank is a lot of people working behind the scenes to make it happen tonight, from our whole committee that planned this event, our technology, our IT, even though they had some glitches earlier. I make a joke with IT, when it's IT directors, as long as you don't have to turn to them, it's a good thing. I usually fire Mr. Miller about once a week, say, just get it to work. It's not his fault, it's the renovation project. So what we're looking to do is, as we move forward, in the fall, we're going to have a ribbon cutting ceremony for the building finally be done. We're still tweaking things and working on things. And then we're going to just try to start an alumni association to reconnect to our alumni, so you guys can come in, see the building, see what's happening, because I know it looks way different than when you went to school here. We're also going to plan some things, we're trying to do some fundraising through our foundation. It's already a strong foundation, as you hear some of the scholarship money given away tonight. But we're trying to plan some things so we can cover more of the costs for students. Golf outing and some other fun events, so there's less lift on them for all the tools and protective equipment and industry credential tests that go along with their programs. Facility maintenance back, that means I can wrap this thing up. Facility maintenance, crowd, did I give a shout out to facility maintenance for all their help and everything? Absolutely. Just making sure we heard that. All right, class of 2024, congratulations. I started the year talking about 40 assets and character, service, and effort. I believe everything starts with character, service, and effort. You got to be a good person first most. All of life is about relationships. All of your work life is about relationships. And you got to be a good, honest person first and foremost to have that strong relationship as you move forward. Effort, you don't get anywhere without hard work and dedication, and of course, the service-mindedness. When we talk to employers, they're always looking for interpersonal skills. They're always looking for good team players. A lot of you have been great team players in your time here at ECTS, and I hope you carry that forward. Ladies and gentlemen, let's recognize the class of 2024 from ECTS. And with that, let's put the students to work one more time. I invite Isaac Glover up here for the closing remarks. He is a National Technical Honor Society member from Design and Drafting Engineering.
Our theme this evening is No Limits. This should remind us that the skills and education we have gained from the Erie County Technical School will give us the foundation to take our futures as far as we wish. As we now become ECTS alumni, there are no limits to what we can accomplish. Class of 2024, congratulations and best wishes. We ask that our guests remain seated until our seniors have left the auditorium. Thank you and have a good night.
Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life. So take the photographs and still frames in your mind, hanging on a shelf in good health and good time. Tattoos of memories and dead skin on trial. For what it's worth, it was worth all the while. It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
You guys can go.
It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life.